Hey guys, welcome to SkillTube. Today we are going to download and install PreDCR for Delhi Development Authority. So let's get started. First of all, we have to open the web browser and search PreDCR DDA. If we look on top two results, the first one is a direct link to download the PreDCR software, and second one is a link to get into the building section of Delhi Development Authority official website. So in both way, we can get the link. For example, if we click on second result, we can see that we can get the PreDCR software download link here for 32 and 64-bit. And in same case in first result, when we click here, we can get the PreDCR 32-bit and PreDCR 64-bit software download link. So if you are not sure whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit, just go to this PC and right click on properties. So here you can check if your system type is 64-bit or 32-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I will click on PreDCR 64-bit for architect. As soon as I click on the link, the downloading gets started. So we have to wait for a while. You can also get the link in the description box. Please like the video and subscribe the SkillTube channel for such videos. So our exe file is about to get downloaded. Now the file is finally downloaded. So we are going to open it. It's time to install the software. You can download it easily by following these simple steps. You have to just proceed forward. You can write any name in company name, like I am writing admin, and I am proceeding forward. Wait a while to complete the setup. Now the setup is completed, so we will again proceed forward. So it is now installing drivers. If it is showing any error while installing the driver, no need to worry. The software is still going to work. Just simply click on OK and press finish button. As we can see, the installation is completed and we have got this PreDCR DDA shortcut here. So we are going to open this to complete our last step. In this step, we will choose our AutoCAD version. Just like in our case, it is AutoCAD 2014, and by clicking on OK, it is going to work properly. Now we can see we have got these extra icons and this extra PDCR option in menu bar. That's all for today. See you in next video.